All right, these are gonna be the glass lobby elevators at the Marriott Pinnacle Hotel in Vancouver, British Columbia.
These are more Fujitec elevators. Also, I believe these are built in 2000.
Yeah, I think it says that. See, Fujitec.
Let's go to P5.
P5, yep. You can see the ropes there.
Here at P3.
All right. You know, I wonder if we can actually transfer.
Just close the door on someone.
Yeah. But, you know, there's Vancity elevators. But, you know, I really don't care. I'm sure they'll get one anyway. Oh, wow, it's bottom drive. Look. You can see the motor. Wow. Dang. That's cool.
3.
Go up to 3.
Now,
And here we go. Whoa, you can see it turn there.
and just look at the view. Once we get up above 1.
Oh, I just saw the counterweight. These are actually kind of nice, even though they got atoms.
And you can see the Pinnacle Hotel across the street.
There's the Pinnacle with the Otis touch sensitives. Let's go down to P5. I'm gonna take another ride on this one because, you know, I like the views this thing has.
Yeah, not a problem.
Watch this. You can see the motor stopping.
Alright.
I'll go up. I'm gonna end on the parking floor, one of those, because I'm wondering if you can actually connect hotels that way. You're gonna see, there's your counterweight.
Here at 3. Photos.
And we will go, I guess we'll end on P3. I don't want to go too low, but we'll see. These are nice. Basic, kind of, but it's cool how you can see the motor in the basement.
And here we're at parking level 3.
Yep, we will get off here. And we will watch it shut.
Doors.
There it goes, and that's it.